Hey guys,
Welcome to our channel.
okay, in this video we are going to make sounds of animals.
Animals!
Yes, so baby will be making the sounds, right? Juman, he will be making the sound and I'll be guessing it out, right? Right? So are you ready?
Yeah.
Chalo, let's start with the video, okay? Chalo. So which animal you want to make?
Then you have to guess.
Yep.
If you want to know on this video, then click the button on subscribe.
Yes. Chalo, let's start with the video.
Okay.
You make the sounds of the animals, and then I'll try to guess it out. Chalo.
Okay. I'll try. Okay. First, I'll choose an animal sound. Now I choose one.
Yeah. I'm so excited, Mama.
Okay. Hee-haw, hee-haw, hee-haw.
Is it any animals make sound like that?
Yeah.
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw.
Hee-haw, me.
What starts with dog?
Donkey.
Yes.
Wow. First point. Okay, for the next.
Let me see. Okay, the next one is good.
Hey, your camera.
Squeak, squeak.
Squeak, squeak.
No cheating.
Mama, squeak, squeak. I never heard that kind of sounds.
Which animal has long ears?
Long ears. Rabbit?
Yeah.
Wow. 2 point, right? 2 point, na, Mama? I got 2 points. Chalo. For the next.
Bear.
Oh, bear is very easy.
And?
It's sheep.
Yes.
Wow.
3 points.
3 points. So for the next.
Okay. I got it.
Uh,
Neigh.
Neigh is it a horse?
Yes. Now,
Your miss is smart, right, Mama?
some you forget.
Yeah.
Okay, for now, stop.
Uh,
Okay, I choose an animal sound. Now, I'll do my nose like this now.
That is so funny, Mama.
And now this animal is?
That's too cute, yeah.
Now some details up on it.
Is it a pig?
Now I'm going to tell you the animal that starts with D. Now,
Okay. That one I know, Mama. Very easy.
and if you know what starts with D-O-G dog?
The OG dog. 4, 4, 5, 6. I think 6 already.
No, not 6. You had 5.
Okay, 5.
Now one more animal. Here we go. Meow.
It's a cat, right?
Yes.
Hey.